Hey guys, you're welcome back to another tutorial of me. Today's video I'm gonna show you how to braid hair on yourself. Basically the easiest method you can try out braiding your hair, box braid method on yourself. So if this is what you want to see, or if you want to see how I made the style look like this on me, then stay tuned and let's get started. So yeah, this is how my hair looks like. I've loosened it out and it feels so dry and it feels so rough. I'm gonna use this to CB leave-in conditioner to condition my hair first. So after applying a leave-in conditioner, I'm going to apply my hair moisturizer, which is my hair cream on my hair. So take the quantity of your choice and massage it all through your hair to keep your hair moisturized even with the braids on. Now it's time to braid my hair, and the first step is to section your hair. So I section my hair and start the first method, which is optional. Hopefully you understand what I'm doing. If your hair is longer than mine, then this step is optional. I'm using a thread to tie my hair, and this helps to make my hair grow while maintaining the style. So I'm going to braid my front hair first before the next step. The next step is to twist out my hair, twist out the second line of my hair. In this second method, because my hair is longer than the first line, there's no need threading the roots of my hair, so I'm just twisting it out immediately without threading the roots. You know I'm one of a kind, or so I've been told. No matter where we go, I know we're gonna make. So yeah, this is how it looks like. The first method, the second method, this is how everything looks like. I'm going to do a normal weaving on my remaining hair that I've not braided. I'm going to do weaving on it, so keep watching and see the outcome of this method. No matter where we go, I know we're gonna make it. No matter where we go, I know we're not alone. We face it all cause now we know that we can take it. We face it all cause we go big or we go home. Dance like you made it and you found it all. This is paradise. Dance like you made it and you found it all. Yeah, I'm done, and this is how everything looks like. The front, the weaving, and this is how it looks like, and also the back, this is how it looks like. As you can see, the back, I did one at the back, and this is how everything looks like. And this braid I'm going to be using with my crochet pin. If you don't have these, I guess you can do one for yourself, or you can go to market and get one before starting this process. So I'm going to take the crochet pin and put it in the root of the braid. I'm going to put it, then pull out this box braid, pull it out. Then you know the normal crochet method, from the hole, then pull out and tie the crochet box braid.
pull it out from the root end tight. Now I'm going to take this, how it looks like. I'm going to also use the crochet pin and start pulling it into the boss braid. I'm going to be doing it like this, pulling it into the boss braid. Yeah, this is how it looks like. I'm going to be repeating this all through my hair and let you guys see the outcome of this, how it looks like on me, the front method and the back method. So keep watching.
Quiet's driving me insane. Silence rattles in my brain. Yeah, I gotta get away. Always waiting for the phone, so I built my towers tall, wandering through these empty halls. Breaking cycles now, walls are coming down. I gotta make it out. Yeah, 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 yeah. Look my fear.
This is how the front looks like, the first method. This is how it looks. For the back, I'm going to use my crochet pin, pull out the crochet boss braid from the root and tight. I'm going to do it again for you to see. Use the crochet pin, pull it out from the root and tight. So yeah guys, this is how it looks like, the whole method. This is how it looks like. This is how it looks like. If this video was helpful to you, give me a thumbs up, and if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, subscribe to be part of this family. Also leave a comment on what you think about the style, and what you think about this whole method, everything. Give me your feedback on what you think about them. And also for the back, the aim of doing it this way is for you to be able to pack, which we achieve the aim, because as you can see the boss braid is packing, and I believe you can try this method yourself. It's quick and easy to do, so you can try this method on yourself and give me your feedback on what you think about it. So guys, thank you for staying to this moment. See you in my next video. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, subscribe to be part of this amazing family. Bye.